Hi, watching Das Hovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. So today the Halwara airport is becoming operational and many residents, businessmen, they are excited to travel in the first flight from Halwara to Delhi. So businessmen, they are traveling in the group, either with their family members and even some political leaders. They are also traveling in this first flight. So a flight Air India A320 aircraft carrying nearly 160 passengers, which is traveling from Delhi to Halwara, carrying around 160 passengers, including Union Minister of State Ravneet Singh Bittu and a number of BJP leaders and wrestlers. It is going to arrive over here at Halwara Airport, and when it will land over here at Halwara Airport at around 7:05 a.m. So the arriving aircraft will receive a grand traditional water cannon salute, a proud aviation tradition where fire tenders create giant arcs of water to welcome the inaugural flight. So many residents, they are excited to travel today, and you can see the residents, they are turning up over here at Halwara Airport to take their flight from Halwara to Delhi. And we will try to talk to some of the passengers over here at the Halwara airport. So we are having some businessmen who are going to travel in this first flight from Halwara. Sir, what's your name?
Devinder Pal Kaushal.
Sir, today the Halwara airport has become operational. What do you want to say?
नहीं आई जस्ट फील वेरी हैप्पी कि मतलब यहाँ से फ्लाइट चालू हो रही, बहुत खुशी की बात है लुधियाना वालों के लिए। और हम लोग बड़ी हमारे एक फ्रेंड हैं जिन्होंने हमारी टिकट आज के दिन करा दी कि भाई आज पूरा ग्रुप जाएगा, आज नहीं तो हम लोग शताब्दी में जाते थे। ठीक है, आज शताब्दी मिस करके इसमें जा रहे हैं दिल्ली, जबकि यहाँ से रीच का तो थोड़ा है ही है इशू। जैसे अब आज हम लोग निकले तो लगभग 1 घंटा तो लग ही गया, वो भी मॉर्निंग टाइम में। ठीक है ना, तो कोई बात नहीं, आने वाले टाइम में सड़कें वैसी हो जाएंगी होपफुली। तो बट ठीक है, सब ऑल गुड है, बढ़िया है। बट ये टाइमिंग है, जैसे सवेरे जाने की तो ठीक है, वहाँ से आने की लेट चाहिए, तब फायदा होगा। कि हमने यहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी की, सवेरे निकल गए, रात को वापस आए लेट, तब तो फायदा जरूर होगा। जैसे शताब्दी रात को 8 बजे आती है, उस टाइप की वहाँ से 7 बजे 8 बजे कोई फ्लाइट हो, फिर तो डेफिनेटली फायदा होगा, क्योंकि आदमी जाके पूरा दिन काम करेगा, वापस आएगा। फिर ऐसे ही सेम एज यहाँ से वहाँ से लोग आए सवेरे और यहाँ से रात की वापसी हो, फिर तो डेफिनेटली फायदा होगा।
जैसे आपने बताया कि आप शताब्दी में ट्रैवल करते हैं, सो हाउ मच टाइम इट यूज्ड टू टेक व्हेन यू ट्रैवल वाया शताब्दी?
बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। शताब्दी में हम अपने घरों से 15 मिनट में रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंच जाते हैं, 4 घंटे में दिल्ली पहुंच जाते हैं। अब यहाँ आने में 1 घंटा लग गया, अगर मॉर्निंग टाइम है, दिन में कम से कम 1.5 पौने 2 घंटा लगेगा, और 1-1.5 घंटा पहले आना है, फिर 1 घंटे की फ्लाइट है। लगभग टाइम का बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा मेरे ख्याल से।
And what suggestion you want to give apart from the number of flights or the timing of the flights?
मेन बात ये है कि जो जो शहरों में हमारा बिजनेस होता है, अगर वहाँ की फ्लाइट होगी तो डेफिनेटली फायदा होगा।
So as a Ludhiana businessman, they are excited to travel in the first flight. We are having some more persons over here. Aaj ki naam apna?
Gurinder Singh Gorki,
And you are into which business?
real estate, realtors.
So you are traveling with the group today?
Yeah, we are having almost 20 to 25%.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your excitement? If you talk about your excitement is the first flight today. So what do you want to say?
It is very precious day for Ludhiana that is air connected to Delhi. We are hopeful that the international connection will be also start here. So
Right.
we are very much excited for this.
Right. What kind of improvement you look into if you talk about the timings of the flight or the number of flights? What kind of improvement you see?
Slowly, let's see what the people want, the requirement of the passengers. They will definitely do something for the passengers.
Like you have traveled from the city area to the Salwara airport. How much time it took? Was it properly accessible?
Yeah, it's half an hour away. It's not so. We have a very much thankful to the God for the and government to this connection for the air. So we are much excited for this also. Yeah. Thank you.
So we are having some more businessmen over here. Sir, what's your name?
My name is Sudarshan Agarwal.
And you are into which business?
I'm in the importing scrap and tours and travels and paints.
Sir, how you see today Halwara airport? It is becoming operational.
It's really a fantastic thing for the Punjab all over the world, because it has a connecting flights to the Shanghai, to UK and America. You check it here and you will be there.
Right. Sir, what is your excitement if you talk about your
It is
experience?
the first flight, so I had booked it and I will come back by the next flight from Delhi.
Okay.
The return flight, I will take it return flight.
Okay, sir. How you see? What kind of suggestions you want to give to the government? How we can further improve the facility?
Improvement is a process. It never dies.
Right.
So it's slowly and gradually it will take. And I am very happy to see all of these things here.
We are having with us a noted personality of Ludhiana, Dr. Vasyan, with us. Dr. Vasyan, today Halwara Airport has become operational. What do you want to say? The excitement the people are having to travel in the first flight.
It is a good news, and people of Ludhiana were waiting for it for so many years and years. And today is the first flight, and I have come here to receive my son, who is coming from Delhi. And there is a lot of expectation, and we wish that this airport should get success, and lot many people should go to Delhi and other places of India and abroad from this station, this Air Force station. And thank you very much. And it is a great step. And in the coming days, I hope the industry, professionals, and other people of Ludhiana will get a lot of benefit from it. Because these days, it is not the railway connection or the road connection which matters. It is a flight because everybody is so in hurry and time is short. So people prefer air travel now.
Right.
So Ludhiana, it is a landmark now. It is a landmark date for Ludhiana. And we wish all Ludhianvis, I send my greetings to all Ludhianvis and best wishes.
Right. Dr. Vasyan, what do you want to say about the access from the city to the Halwara Airport, as well as what kind of improvement you seek in the timings of the flight or the number of flights?
Actually, the main road is quite good. It is smooth, but when the road link road starts, it's not so good. It should be improved. It should be widened. And the flight to Delhi is not enough. We should, the government should start the flights which touch Delhi and then lead to other places, maybe Calcutta, maybe Madras, maybe other places, metros, big metros of the country. So up to Delhi is not good. It should touch Delhi or other places. So people, traders, Ludhianvi traders and other professionals, other people, those who are going to different places of the country, they should get benefit.
Apart from the businessman, we are having here Youth Akali leader who is also going to travel in this first flight from Halwara to Delhi. So what do you want to say today? First flight is starting from Halwara Airport here in Ludhiana.
Firstly, we are very happy. Long time it's a demand from Ludhiana because Ludhiana is a Manchester of India. So all businessmen, all men are wanting the flight start from Ludhiana. So dream come true. So we are very happy, and we are hoping it's a part of development of Punjab. It's a, ਜੋ ਹਲਵਾਰਾ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਹ ਬਣੂਗਾ ਤੇ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸਮੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਦੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸਮੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੀ ਹੋਰ ਫਲਾਈਟਾਂ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ 에ਅਰਪੋਰਟ ਬਣੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੌਖਾ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ
So considering the timings as well as accessibility from the city area, how you see what kind of improvement are required?
फर्स्टली आज फर्स्ट डे सो होपिंग ये फ्लाइट्स और ज़्यादा बढ़े टाइमिंग भी और ज़्यादा हो शाम को आने की मतलब फ़्लाइट है नहीं वो भी होनी चाहिए सो हम होप करते हैं भी आज स्टार्ट हुआ है अच्छा हुआ सारा कुछ थैंक यू सर
So residents, they have appreciated the efforts of the government for making the Halwara airport operational. They have thanked both the state as well as the central government for this wonderful gift to the Ludhianvi especially. And they seek some of the improvements, including the widening of the link road as well as more flights, especially in the evening hours, both to and from Halwara and Delhi. And they also seek flights for other states as well as the international flights to the countries as well. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Taswira for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.